Hey, it's Jeff. Welcome back to Desk Discussion. We're going to have a little bit of talk today about logistics and that phase that comes after you've done the evaluation of your furniture. We know what you have now, or you know what you have now. And now you have to figure out, how do you get it out? That's when transfer or whoever you're going to select as your vendor comes through, and we'll start setting up a logistics plan. You're going to have a project plan and a project manager who will coordinate everything with your building. You might have a mover. You might have a liquidator. You might have a junk removal service. Maybe you have an office furniture company. Well, all those things are going to play into how they treat your furniture, treat your building, and then treat the product. So a junk removal company isn't going to come in and treat the product with much respect. They're going to do trash and recycling. They're going to clean it out as quickly as they can, and they're going to get rid of it. Movers are going to do something very similar, because ultimately they don't necessarily have value or an extended investment in the product itself. And that's where a furniture company is going to be different. They're going to come in, we're going to try and reuse, resell, refurbish. Maybe we're going to recycle some items, but we're actually going to take value in the furniture. And that is the key to saving you money. Now, the last thing that you really want during a decommission or a liquidation service is when things go bad. You've got a million moving parts and pieces. You're trying to coordinate with vendors, companies, buildings, and you're up against a time frame. And if you have a group that comes in and doesn't know what they're doing, it's going to compile that stress. It's just going to add layer on layer on layer to what you're doing. So you want to make sure that you're selecting a vendor that is reputable. They have a good track record. They're able to complete all of the tasks that need to be done. They have the logistics fleet to actually get it done. Is it a box truck move? Is it a trailer move? Is it a no move at all? Are we bringing the product out through a loading dock? Is it through the front door? Is there a freight elevator? Do they have the manpower to get it out? Do they have equipment to get it out? All those things play into it and a company's ability to do things efficiently. Also, you don't want a hurricane coming through your office. A group that's going to come in and be a junk disposal company generally is going to come in and just make a mess. It can be disruptive to your business, and it is just a very stressful, high stress, high anxiety type of environment, and that's not something that anybody really wants to be dealing with when you're at the end of a project. You want somebody who's going to come in and say, I have you covered. I got your back. We're going to get this done. We'll be on time, on schedule, with everything that you need in order to pull this off. And all those things are going to be set up in a project plan that we will provide to you. So we'll work directly with your building. We'll work directly with your people. We'll make sure that everything that you need is there when it's got to be done. We'll tell you when it's showing up, and we'll tell you when we're done. So that's it for logistics. Talk to you next time.